What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your messenger's chat head not working on your messenger. Now, if you guys are an iPhone user, then I'm sorry, you can't use this feature because an iPhone messenger doesn't provide you the feature of turning on chat heads. So if you're an iPhone thinking your chat head isn't appearing, then I'm sorry, you can't fix it. Apple doesn't allow that feature, so until and unless Apple allows it, there's no way you can fix it. But for Android user, there is. Android user, watch the video until the end. iPhone user, I'm sorry, alright? But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then you know what you guys need to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? First step, you open your messenger and then you click on your profile picture looking icon at the top left corner. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down and make sure this chat head icon over here is turned on. If it is turned off, that's the reason why your chat head isn't, appearing. And even if it is turned on, you can't, watch the chat head. I can hold on the person's name. So let's say I want to watch this message on chat head. I can hold on it and where it says open chat head, click on it and his message is going to be opened in a chat head like this. All right. So that's the other way to cheat the system. That's what I like to call it. All right. But if it still doesn't, comes over here, the next thing you can do is sorry, I opened Google by mistake. You want to hold on your messenger looking icon, click on app info, wait for some time. Once app info opens up, you want to go on storage usage. Once you're over here, click on clear data and then you want to click on clear and then you want to click on clear. Once the data is cleared, your messenger is going to be new. Once you do that, go back, go on permissions, make sure to turn all these permissions on. I have turned it off, but you guys need to turn all this permission on and it should work. So that's how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.